Hi everyone, welcome back to Annie's Garden Life. I hope you all are doing good and you're staying safe with your family, having good food and spending a good quality time with all you in your family. So today's video is about a very good friend of mine, in fact my skin's best friend nowadays. So this is a product which I thoroughly love to use, and this product is from the brand called Plum. So without much further ado, let's get started with the video. This is a face oil which I'm going to talk about from the brand called Plum, as I already mentioned. So this face oil is basically a blend of 10 natural oils. So this product is really for people who have dry skin, normal skin or very dry skin. But since you know me that I'm a person who has oily skin, but even my skin tends to go dry sometimes, and not all my face, but like my forehead or my cheeks or the place near my nose. So I thought, why not just go ahead and try this oil. Before that even I had tried a lot of oil. Even I tried applying coconut oil, which is also a very good oil for your skin. Yes, you must try. This is something which has been recommended by our grandmothers and our mothers. So yeah, but that is too oily for me. So I'm glad that I found this product, and at the end of the video I will also show you how I apply this face oil. So the best thing I loved about this oil is that it's not greasy at all. It's not like, it does not give tackiness to your skin as an oil gives, and it so quickly and instantly absorbs onto the skin. And the second best thing I liked about this product is the smell. It is so nice. I mean, the fragrance is so good that when you apply this oil, you don't actually feel like you're applying just an oil onto your face, but it really relaxes you. It soothes your senses as well. And trust me, I am not making up a story here, and I'm not trying to give you a beautiful picture of a face oil which is not beneficial to your skin. Trust me friends, I'm a kind of person, I don't really like applying oil on my face because I already have an oily skin, but my skin does go dry sometimes, and I was really looking out for a cream or an oil which can solve my problem, and this particular oil from Plum has definitely solved my problem. And I use this in my during my night routine, when I kind of clean my face, and then I apply a toner, and at last I apply this oil blend from Plum, and I just love it. I totally am in love with this product for sure, and once it's done, this is one product I will be buying it again and again and again, and this is not going to be my first and last product for sure. We all know that oil has an anti-aging property as well, so we all must use a face oil for ourselves, which not only restores the natural glow of the skin but also retains the natural texture of the skin. And this oil effectively tackles the dryness of the skin, and this oil also is rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. So friends, if you have dry skin, you can also use this alongside your SPF cream, the sunscreen that you use, or a moisturizer, because this is going to give you a natural glow to your skin. So in a nutshell, the oil, which does not even feel like an oil on my skin, has to be the one from the brand Plum, and this is going to be definitely my first choice and a recommendation to all you lovely ladies if you want to opt for a face oil for yourself. So let me tell you the names of all the 10 oils that are there in the face oil, Plum face oil. So the oils are grapeseed oil, sea buckthorn oil, rosehip oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, apricot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, olive oil, pomegranate seed extract, jojoba seed oil. So all these are, anyways, it delivers a lot to our skin, and it helps our skin retains the natural glow and makes our skin healthy. So having all of them in one face oil is something that I feel is like a boom to our skin. So let me come to the packaging of the product. The packaging is done really well, and the best part is the bottle is well kept under this packaging, and the bottle is made of glass, and it's a very nice glass bottle. Here it is, you can see, and yes, it comes with a droplet. Yes. And as I told you, the fragrance is just too good. Okay, now let me come to the quantity part. Okay, so this has 30 ml in this bottle. The price of the product is 775, but let me tell you one thing. When I had purchased this product from Nykaa.com, I had got it at an extremely discounted price, because that time some discounts were going on the site, and I got it for, I think, 300 plus, some 398 or something like that. So right now I want to also mention a little about the brand, because I did not want to talk about the brand in the beginning of the video, as this video is not sponsored by Plum, neither that I want to promote the brand. It's just that I am trying to share my views on the product as I am using this product. So this, as you all know, is from the brand called Plum, and Plum is a 100% cruelty free brand, and it's 100% vegan, and it is free of parabens and phthalates, and yes, it's also a member of 1% for the planet. So right now let me also show you how I use this oil in my daily night routine. So as you know that I'm a no makeup person, so right now I don't have any makeup on my face. It's just that a lip gloss and an eyeliner, that's it. So I take little in the droplet and put a drop here. Very little, just like very little. Okay, so after that I nicely massage. So this is how I apply this oil on my face, and it feels great. The fragrance is good. The fragrance is so soothing, and the oil just absorbs the skin, absorbs on the skin instantly. Alright, so this was all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and do not forget to hit that bell button for receiving notifications of all my videos. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye.